Kaboomers! We're having fun with thunderstorms tonight. I'm just laying back having relaxation. All the thunderstorms are going on. My neighbor Ann and I have just been on the phone talking about how we don't really want to fly ever again. Because we were talking about the near miss today, or yesterday. He goes yesterday. Down in Washington, D.C., between the Delta and the military jet. Again, after what happened in January. I said, well, I haven't flown since '95 anyway. Made a conscious decision after 9/11. I'm not going to again. And I was remembering a time when I was home on a 3-day break with my family, flying back to my training base down there in Biloxi. I had a layover in Houston, and I remember looking up at the monitor and seeing the hurricane bearing down on Biloxi. It's like, what the hell am I doing back down here? Should have stayed with my family. Well, the hurricane had reversed direction and pummeled Homestead instead. But I get back to base, and they had everything taped and boarded up. And told me, get inside, don't come out. Okay. We had what was known as a GI party, meaning we were cleaning up. That was how I injured my ankle the first time. I had a buffer run over my foot. The one we deemed the demon buffer. Not a one of us got out of that bay without a story about that damn buffer. The first day we were there, my roommate was trying to master the thing. I'm sitting on the edge of my bed, leaning over, watching her so I can learn. It gets away from her, veers around in a circle, dang near takes off my head. I get back in time. It comes back around, smacks her before she's able to catch it. There were other times people would have to sit on the buffer while another one operates it because it goes. It was so off balance. And the Air Force, no, they don't like to fix things. You got to know the Air Force. You got to be in the Air Force to understand this. But anyway, the next morning I wake up and my ankle is puffed up 3 times its normal size after being hit with a buffer. We'd already had 2 tornadoes on base spawned by this hurricane. I'm hobbling back from the hospital. It was a nice, pretty day when we started out. I'm hobbling back towards the school. Hear a noise. Oh, fun. There's a tornado tearing apart the ballpark right across the street. Ah, shit. Starts heading my direction. I start running on a sprained ankle. Not really something you want to do. I get behind the cement partition, just kind of sit there and watch. It crosses in front of me, hits the building across the street from me. starts going towards the hospital where I just come from. I walk in through the glass doors. There were like 3 or 4 people inside the glass doors. We were worried about you. I'm fine. I walk into my classroom, put my coat over my chair. Oh, we just got another tornado. How do you know? It chased me. Well, we had another tornado later that day. I later learned this tornado that chased me bounced off the hospital wall, took out 3 cars, went out towards the marina, topped a few trees, went out over the water, and was gone. Fun with Mother Nature. I don't know who is a worse opponent, fellow man or Mother Nature. They're both bitches.